Hello everyone, welcome to Good to Know.
Good to know.
She's a little late, but that's fine. We got it all in there. Alright, welcome to our review / giveaway. So today we've already gave something away. You need to go check the last video. Now we're moving on to our next review and giveaway.
Now keep in mind, this review and giveaway expires in 7 days. Today is the 15th and the drawing will be on the 22nd. Sorry for anybody who's late to the party, but just try our...
And we give you up until we pick our name. So you got up until, normally it's in the morning, so if it's after morning time, you're probably not going to be in on it.
That's right.
So we're not just going to give you an exact time, but a date. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Today we're going to do a pet grooming kit, and it's travel. You can take it with you. It's
but it's not only for pets. I could use it on him.
yeah, it's nice. You could use. You don't have to use it on pets. I mean, if you would like to do this, because it has all of the extra attachments that you would get for a regular trimmer. So we're going to do some close-ups. Rebecca's already used it, so I'm going to let her explain this, and let's get on with it.
This comes in a hard-sided case, but it is fabric covered, and it has dual zippers, so you can unzip, zip, however, which side you like. And it comes with a carry strap. This strap is not removable, I checked. So let's go ahead and get this baby unzipped. And this is the mama of the tools, and it's really a quiet and smart shaver.
It may be a little louder than that, but I'm going to put it up here. That's very quiet with the mic.
And it tells you how much battery power you have left. Here I've got 99% battery left. This also has adjustable length for the naked blade, so you can adjust, obviously, how much clippage you want, either very extremely short, basically shaved, or just a little bit longer. So that's from 2 millimeters to 1.1 millimeters. This thing runs at 7,000 vibrations per second.
That's okay. That's a little technical there.
Okay. So it comes with a lot of neat accessories. So we have a pair of straight blade scissors and some thinning shears.
Wow.
I know, I like these. I might use these on my hair, because you know how I like messing with my hair. It also comes with clippers for the dog's nails, and it has the guard on there so that you put the dog's nail through this side, and that guard back here keeps you from cutting off too much. So put the nail in there and clip it, and that way you're not going to go into the quick, as long as you don't just, don't
unless you got
repeatedly.
little bitty tiny dogs.
Right. Well, and it's just it's measured for safety, so just keep in mind nothing is totally foolproof, and don't go suing us if you do clip your dogs quick. But these are designed for safety. They have soft comfort grip handles, and they lock for safety. After you've clipped those toenails, that's a nice metal nail file to get those rough edges. That's the one thing I hate about getting the dog's nails clipped, and then they come jump up on you, and it feels like razor blades. It's not a nice feeling. We also have a nice metal detangling comb, and this is suitable for dogs or cats. Of course, the trimmers are suitable for dogs.
I think it's stainless steel too. It's pretty.
I think it is. It's got some heft, and it comes with, now, and I don't know why more trimmers don't do this, but it comes with, okay, this one is a number 9 and a number 12. So you're saving space by not having to keep up with so many pieces, and it tells you which side to put on for which number you want. And these clip on easily, she said. And let's see if I can get these on here right. There we go. And just turn it on, and there you have it. So this is easy to install the blade guards. Get this out of the way so maybe you can see it a little better. Easy to install these blade guards, and they do come in dual sizes. So here's a 9 to 12. This one is 6 and 3, and that's millimeters. The 15 and 18. And then here's your angled guard for left and right sides.
Tapering.
For tapering, for like John likes his hair cut in the marine style. So this will, you know, come in handy.
If you have a schnauzer cut from short to long at the bottom.
Right, on their fringe. We also have a lubricating oil.
That'll last a long time.
This will, yeah, because you just really need, turn the shaver on, drop a drop on there, and turn it on, it'll distribute the oil. And here's a nice little brush for getting out the extra hair that doesn't come out when you just wash it. And here you have it, folks. This is a beautiful piece. It is cordless, obviously, but it comes with that charging cord.
Cordless is great if you, like us, we have a fussy dog.
Right, and I got to take them outside. Rico, we can't pick him up, so I can't lift him up on anything, but we can take him outside and he'll jump up on the table. But he won't let me pick him up because he's just mean like that. You plug this in, and then it charges with a USB. I've got the plug-in adapters. I've got tons of those things. I'm sure you do too. Or just plug it directly into your computer. I prefer using the electrical adapter for it.
And look, down the road, we may be giving a charger away for one of those.
Or a dog who...
no, we're not giving our dog.
Okay, I was kidding, dogs. I was kidding. It comes with a nice booklet to show you what all the accessories are, how to operate it, how to charge it, and how to clean it. So it's just a really nice set. I'm glad to have this. I think you would be too. So why don't you go ahead and enter our drawing. Take that cord out.
If you don't want to wait for the drawing or you don't win, we'll leave a link to where you can purchase this.
Yep. And I really like this. I can't say it enough.
What was the roundabout price on that? Can you give them that? Do you remember?
I think it was about $20. Yep, it was $20 with an extra 10% discount when you apply the coupon that's on the Amazon page. I always look for stuff with those extra coupons.
Did we get a coupon with that? What else came with that? That little other card there?
No, this is just a thank you card.
Oh, okay.
It does come with a customer service card to tell you how to contact them if you have any issues. It has a warranty on it for, I believe it's a 12-month warranty. I could be lying. But this is a very, very nice set. I think you guys are going to love it. Those of you with pets or those of you who like at-home haircuts.
Yeah, I think that's not just for pets, because that has everything that mine has.
Right, and you know, dog show people, you know, if you go to a dog show, you might want something more portable, and the charge will last a long time. It fully charges in 3 to 5 hours, and you can do 4 complete shaves before the battery runs completely down, according to the booklet. So once again, today is September the 15th, and you have until September the 22nd to enter this drawing. The keyword for this week is trimmer. That's TRIMMER. That'll be down in the keywords.
And at the end.
And at the end of this video. I hope you subscribe, because if you enter the keyword but don't subscribe, you're not eligible to win. So you must be a subscriber here at our channel. What else?
Go check out our other channel.
Check out our cooking channel. It's called Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. We do so many interesting things over there, just all kinds of foods, from homemade noodles that we did recently to backdoor barbecues, and we even traveled with some food.
And right now, that channel is pretty much supporting this channel, so please join this channel.
Yes,
Tell all your
please.
friends, because we need help with this channel to continue giving stuff away.
Right, and the more subscribers we get, the better our giveaways are going to get, and just because we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much to those of you who have stuck around for each of our drawings so far. We've had a couple of repeat winners, and that's okay too. You can win as often as
your name comes up with
yep.
draws.
And we use the YouTube randomizer. So once again, here's the kit. Placing a link down below if you can't wait, or you just want to go online and check it out and see how awesome this is. So come back and see us on the 22nd for the drawing. Thanks, everybody. John's waving back there. Bye.